So, few months before, I kept feeling restless and disconnected, even when I was surrounded with the people I love. And then I discovered that my heart chakra, called Anahata chakra, was out of balance. So, if you feel the same, then stay tuned with me till the end of this video. I'm going to tell you what are the signs when your heart chakra gets out of balance and how to restore harmony. Hey, beautiful souls, my name is Krish, and welcome to my channel Aligned by Krish. I am a Reiki healer and a practitioner, and your spiritual wellness and manifestation coach. So, today we are exploring how to know if your heart chakra, the center of love and compassion, gets out of balance, and what to do to restore harmony. So, if you're feeling heaviness in your chest, if you're finding difficulties to open to love, or struggling to forgive somebody, then definitely it is one of the signs that your heart chakra is out of balance. So, what is heart chakra? The heart chakra sits in the center of your chest near the heart and is generally associated with the color green and sometimes with pink. It represents love, compassion, forgiveness, and emotional connection with yourself and with others. So, when this energy is centered and balanced, you will be more open, kind, connected. And on the other hand, when this energy gets out of hand, imbalanced, or even becomes overactive, you will feel isolated, resentful, out of love, or sometimes even driven by overwhelming emotions. So, an imbalance can be showed up in three main ways: emotional, mental, and physical. Emotionally, you will notice difficulty in forgiving yourself or others, possessiveness, jealousy, fear of intimacy, or constant loneliness. Mentally, it can feel like you are setting impossible expectations in your relationships, overthinking conflicts, or even replaying old hurts. You can also get anxious about being loved um, or being abandoned in your relationship. So, physically, you might experience neck pain, shoulder pain, tightness in your chest, or shallow breathing. Of course, you must consult a doctor if you feel any of this kind of symptoms. But spiritually, if your heart chakra is blocked or out of balance, you might experience this kind of pains either physically, emotionally, or mentally. So now coming towards the steps to restore harmony if your heart chakra is out of balance. So number 1, eat lots of green vegetable. Since the heart chakra is associated with the color green, eating green leafy vegetables like spinach, cucumbers, broccoli, food that matches the green vibration, and that will help to nourish your body and soul. Number 2, heart opening movements or yoga poses like cobra pose, bridge pose, camel pose, or simple chest opening stretches that will help you to release tension and invite fresh energy into your life. Number 3, meditate with the mantra YAM, YAM. Sit quietly and softly chant the mantra YAM. It is associated with the center of the heart chakra. This particular vibration or the sound is associated with the center of your heart, and let this mantra flow into your heart and releases all the tension and all the overthinking and all the negativities from your heart, and it will help you restore your heart chakra into your balance. Number 4, practice self love. So what you can do is write a love letter to yourself. Do something that makes you feel happy and cherished. Do Ho'oponopono. It's one of the best self-healing and self-love practice, which will not only heal yourself but also heal the relationship or any other people around yourself, or even any kind of situation. So do Ho'oponopono. Number 5, very important. Show some act of kindness. Help people who are in need, or volunteer to do a charity, or at least give a genuine compliment to somebody and make their day. Giving love freely will help you create a flow into your life. Number 6, connect with nature and animals. Spend some time in nature, walk barefoot on the grass. That will help you grounding with Mother Earth. Spend time with your beloved pet. That will help you calm your nervous system and will naturally open the way to your heart. And the last one, take supports from crystals. You might want to use rose quartz or green aventure that will help you increase unconditional love in your life. When you see them, you will see them as a reminder and not magic. This will help you to focus on your intention. So your heart chakra is the bridge between your mind, body, and your spirit, between giving love and receiving love. So start with just one or two practices daily and see how do you feel. Maybe lighter, calmer, and more open to connection. So if you found this video helpful, please comment down below that you are open to work on your heart chakra today. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel Aligned by Chris, and share this video specifically the people who you think might get benefit out of this video.